Welcome back to another complete guide step-by-step tutorial on how to make payment for your goods on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Recently, just like what you see on my screen right here, someone reached out to me from my YouTube channel on my WhatsApp right here, asking me to make payment for their goods on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, just like what you see right here. And I decided to make a video about it and show you on how you can actually make payment for your goods on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So just like what you see right here, I'm going to access from my WhatsApp right here. Then I will go ahead and open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app right here. After you open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click on here to open my profile. Here, open my profile. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to bring out the product. So from my profile right here, I go ahead and click on here to open up the goods from my cart. So I've already had the two products from different store to the cart. Next thing we want to do is to open up the cart right here, and this is the first product right here, and this is the second product right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select the first one, and then go ahead and select the second one. And next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so, I'm paying the sum of 181.92 yen to purchase these two different links right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Then right here, I go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. Payment done successful. Just like what you see right here. So you can see a debit alert from my Alipay. Lastly, I will go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. After make a screenshot, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on done. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to go back. By the time I refresh my profile, you see the product I just paid for right here. So let's check it out. So you can see the first one here and the second one right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and send proof of payment to the persons that asked me to pay for them on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to access from my Pinduoduo right here, and I will go back to my WhatsApp right here. So I'll click on here and gallery. Then I select proof of payment and say payments and done. It's that simple. So you can see it right here. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on 1688, Taoba, IDFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.